Pagod na yun, ano, baka nag 18-hour shift yun. Medyo masungit eh.
Lusot man aki, hindi man lusot at tulaw.
Ngayon, pagdating dyan, meron silang shuttle.
Oh, shuttle. Hindi pa yan ano, parking na yung Limi. Dadalhin pa tayo sa taas.
Aka no?
Yeah. Muntay. Ay, oo nga pala, nasa kabila. Nasa pouch ko. Wala ka na ba? Ha?
The beachfront rooms. For cliffside rooms, categorized siya for 2 types. Cliffside Casita A and Cliffside Casita B. Ito yung price po nila. May jacuzzi na po siya sa balcony po natin with the sea view. And this one is located po
Yung iba kasi sa ano pa? Kotse pa.
So we have it with entrance to rooms na located na.
Paano yun ako natanggal? Paano ito natanggal? Kasi isang anak ko kasi hindi mapakali sa...
Look at your handle. Look at that.
Pila Angelina. Subay pa si Paribam eh. Come on guys. Oh, sandali lang. Prinsesa, bumababa. Red carpet. Ilabas. We're back. May 10th, 2025. Last time we were here was 2022. Aquí muy manada de cigarro de tigre. Así me dice. Kain mo tayo dito? May shabu-shabu daw. Libre daw shabu dito. Libre daw shabu. Shabu-shabu pala yung sabaw.
Shabu-shabu, Ken.
Oh, where's the plate? Where's the plate? Yeah, no. How? Open it like this? Wow. How about that? Yeah, go get first. Go get first. Go get first. Chi, may sabaw daw sila, Chi. How about that? What's this? This rice? Is this a rice? Give me some rice.
Just gonna get one more scoop.
Wow, one more scoop. May cosa rice? Aquí oh, basta garas steam. Aquí. Oh, cool. Get some. Here. Give me one or two. There's a serving spoon.
There's none.
There's none? Okay, may soup po, Chi. Chi, kumuha ka na sabaw? Ah, may sabaw, may shabu-shabu daw din. Amen. Josh, okay, Josh? Do they have soft drinks there, Justin?
The one I always cook.
Oo nga. Tapos ilarap kong bilang. Wala ba silang ano? Yung barbecue na ano? Niluto pa. Bakit yung sa atin dati mayroong lechong kawali? That's drink. Walang plato.
You can get the...
It's empty. Okay lang. Ayan. Parang silang lechipan. Ano to?
Ano? Watermelon.
Ay, huwag na. Nakatikim na ako dyan.
Yun lang yung ano nila.
Susi sila.
Pero may ganda.
Ay, sa akala ko, di ako iibig sa'yo.
Washroom kayo? Washroom nandoon.
Hindi, upo bro. Kunin natin yung best view dito ata. Saan? Dulo.
Saan man? Sa kabila?
Okay. I wanna sit down here
Ikaw?
and look at the view. Tignan mo. Ay, yan eh. Sige. Sige, sige. Look at this. Ay, Todong. Leave me, Todong. Leave me, Todong. Here. Straight. Where? Here, straight. This one here. Sit deep. I'm gonna run. Wala pala akong goggles. Pwede ako mag-swim. I have my goggles with me. You had an extra one? That would be nice. Magaling yung pianista. Ang daming alam. Ay, di na. Original na yan. Kala ko, siya pa rin eh. Going down, guys. I'm going down. Going down, guys. I'm going down. Woo! No splash, no splash. No splash. No splash. Oh, my beautiful wife is having a headache. Why is that? Wow, look at this view. Oh, man. It's good to be back. Woo! Woo! That's a drone. Look at that drone. It's taking a picture of me. I'm taking a video of him. Or it. Whatever you call it. Right? Later on, we're heading to Dakak. Using the access of Big Angelina. Hi Josh. Stop. Take a video, picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. Ang babarat ninyo, thank you. Good to be back, Josh. You still remember this, Josh? Huh? Wow, high five. You remember it, huh? You remember it. Good job. Ibang tubig dito. Spring water, oh. Galing sa bundok. See, nilalabas dito. Kaya nga, mas lalo na pag nandun kayo nakatambay. Na. Kaya, sige na. Tara na.